guys, I'm sharing you a gift idea that is unique and affordable and meron siyang personalized touch, so lalong mas nagiging special. Mahirap mag-isip kung ano yung ireregalo natin sa ating mga friends or yung mga boss natin kasi especially kung meron naman silang mga gamit na. But nakita ko itong shop na to sa IG. By the way, this is not sponsored, so pwede kayong mag-DM dito sa shop na to. So ito yung dalawang friends ko na pupunta na ng ibang bansa and isa naman dito ay kinasal dito sa Pilipinas but they are based in US. So hindi sila pwedeng magdala ng bulky na mga regalo. So ito yung nakita ko and this is perfect. Look at those cute details. Yan, may mga names pa ng members of the family. So, sobrang cute niya. And this is lightweight. So, perfect talaga itong pangregalo.
Thanks for watching! Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for new videos. Bye!